This episode is brought to you by Integrity Pro Consulting. IPC is a ServiceNow sales, services, training, and technology partner, but I love them for their unique approach to services. IPC knows that project success is nothing without proper organizational change management, and each of its resources are trained in OCM frameworks. Check out the links below and see what a difference that can make for your organization. Hey everyone, welcome back to another When in Rome, highlighting cool features in the ServiceNow Rome release. My name is Robert Fedorik. It is so good to have you here. As long as I've been in the ServiceNow space, there's always been this tension about what constitutes a user.
Warning, this is not a discussion on licensing.
See, the most primitive viewpoint is that, number one, workers do the work, and number two, consumers consume the work. But in reality, other roles exist that are neither the direct consumer of the work, nor those executing the work. But they must observe the data for a myriad of reasons, from customer representation and satisfaction to compliance. ServiceNow has come a long way over the years with several read-only access provisions under the role of business stakeholder.
Warning, this is not a discussion on licensing.
Rome continues this trend with read-only access to the Agile2.0 tables. I found a few gotchas though. First, the instructions for installing the plugins could do with a little bit more clarity. For older instances, you need to install both the business stakeholder plugin and the read-only plugin for whatever process you want. For new customers, all the read-only plugins come activated and you just need to install business stakeholder. Second, when I impersonated a business stakeholder, I wasn't able to see any Agile tables on the navigator bar, though I was able to read data by going to the tables manually. I find that second point a blessing in disguise, as it will force you to be more mindful of what records you're exposing and how. While I've seen many cases where a business stakeholder would want to see the Agile work data such as epics, stories, sprints, etc., I've rarely seen cases where they need it for the entire organization. And the last point I'll bring up is that business stakeholder is becoming a bit of an umbrella role. It can possibly contain read roles for ITSM, project, test management, APM, and even CSM as well. And I don't think the assumption is valid that a business stakeholder for ITBM is also one for GRC and so on. That said, ServiceNow still empowers you as the read-only access to Agile 2.0 tables is held in its own role that is only packaged under business stakeholder. If you wanted to, you could operate with just this role instead of the full business stakeholder. Do you want your message in front of the best ServiceNow admins, developers, architects, and product owners in the business? Want a conversation about your ServiceNow strategy and architecture? You can reach me via my website at www.theduke.digital. If you want to contribute to high-frequency, high-quality ServiceNow content, all you need to do is
feed the algorithm
with likes, shares, and comments. Thanks for watching.